The neuroanatomy. As we know, studying the neuroanatomy is like creating a large mural. You need a big picture view before focusing on details. So we're gonna start by understanding the general organization of the nervous system. So, nervous system overview. As we know, the division of the nervous system is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system includes the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system consists of nerves outside the brain and the spinal cord. So the central nervous system, this is in pink, this is the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system, these nerves in the yellow, this is called peripheral nervous system. Okay? Embryological development. The central nervous system develops from a neural tube during embryonic growth. So this is the neural tube, which the pregnant woman takes folic acid to prevent neural tube malformation. So this is the neural tube. The top part of the tube forms the brain of the human being. This is the top part develops into a human brain, while the lower part develops into spinal cord. The hollow space in the middle inside the tube develops into the brain ventricle. The brain ventricles, as we know, are filled with CSF, which is cerebrospinal fluid. Okay, the brain divisions. The brain is divided into three main parts. The forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. Here, the forebrain, the midbrain, this is the tiny part, and the hindbrain. Okay, the forebrain consists of telencephalon, this is the telencephalon, and diencephalon, this is the diencephalon. These two parts, telencephalon and diencephalon, forms the forebrain. Okay. While the midbrain, this is the midbrain, which connects other brain regions, and this is the hindbrain. Okay. Let's talk more details about this. So, as we said, forebrain composed of telencephalon and diencephalon. Telencephalon, this is telencephalon, includes the cerebral cortex. This is the cerebral cortex in yellow. This is the cerebral cortex and cerebral hemispheres. Also contains white matter, here, white matter, and basal ganglia. Basal ganglia. While the diencephalon, here, consists of what? Consists of thalamus and hypothalamus here. Thalamus and hypothalamus. Diencephalon. What about the midbrain? This is the midbrain. Is a short section that connects the forebrain, telencephalon and diencephalon, with below, which is the hindbrain. This is the midbrain. What about hindbrain, the last part? This composed of pons, medulla, and cerebellum. Pons, medulla, and cerebellum. Together they forms in the brain. Okay? The brain stem is made of the midbrain, pons, and medulla. Midbrain, this is the midbrain, pons, and medulla. This forms the brain stem. So the brain stem is composed of pons, midbrain, and medulla. The brain stem acts like the stalk that connects the forebrain to the spinal cord. The forebrain sits on top. Here, the forebrain sits on top. And this acts like stalk. The functions of the brainstem generally controls basic life functions like breathing, blood pressure, and heart rate. These structures are essential for survival and coordinates many vital functions. And this is a review for what we have said.